Namaste. Immunity. Yes, as we all know, immunity is the most important part to live a good and happy, healthy life. But the most important thing is this: how to gain this immunity. In Ayurveda, we call it Ojas. But Ojas is not just the immunity, Ojas is overall, it's a broad spectrum thing. Immunity in modern science is basically body's resistance. It means body's immunity power or body's self-defense mechanism which can make you strong so that you fight with any kind of bacteria, viruses or any kind of allergens coming from outside. But in Ayurveda, it's Ojas. Now Ojas can be achieved by let's say Ojas can be achieved by first of all good digestion. If you have a good digestion, then you have good digestion capacity, and if you eat good, then you have good quality of dhatus forming. And there are 7 dhatus formed, and after the 7 dhatu, the 8th extract of all these, the essence of all these 7 dhatus comes out as ojas. Now this ojas is not just the immunity but overall strength of your body. Now if you have a good ojas, you have dirghayu, it means longevity. You have good memory, you have good strength, you have good glowing skin, you don't have premature aging, you don't fall sick, and a lot more things. There are so many things in the market today about immunity, but I would say the most important thing to improve your immunity is you. Yes, my friends, you. If you are having a good diet and daily routine, if you eat good on time, if you balance your all the doshas, if you balance your dhatus, if you have proper elimination every day, you have a good immunity. But in case if you have any kind of imbalances, if you have any kind of imbalances in the sensory organs, if you have any kind of immunity imbalance which can be acquired also, then the best thing to do is take some rasayanas. Yes, we all know what is rasayana. I have been speaking about this in my previous videos. But which rasayana should I take? People say take ashwagandha, take shilajit, take shatavari, take giloy, take mulati, and a lot many more things. For brain, take this rasayana. For strength, take this rasayana. For cardiac health, take Arjuna, means this rasayana. For muscular health, take this rasayana. So many rasayanas. But do we have time to take whole day rasayana? Actually not. I'm very practical because in this running lifestyle, we often forget a lot of things. But as I'm saying again and again, please stick to a good and diet and daily routine, which you have proper time for breakfast, proper time for lunch, and proper time for dinner. But also take rasayanas. So rather than taking lots of rasayanas, it's good to take one rasayana, which we usually call it as king of rasayanas, which is Maharishi Amrit Kalash. Now this Maharishi Amrit Kalash comes in the combination of a paste and a tablet, MA4, which is basically the paste, and MAK5, which is the ambrosia tablets. So you take nectar and the MA5, which is the ambrosia tablets. Now why these two and what is the difference of this from others? Now one thing is this is a highly clinically researched product, which is not just one rasayana, a combination of 53 herbs, which is simply telling you 20 kilogram of herbs is used to process and make 1 kg of this rasayana. And this rasayana is so much quality tested that there are more than 250 steps of quality check. These rasayanas are made in Vedic sounds, Vedic vibrations, so that the efficacy is much more. Those people who are making it, they are basically meditators. So a proper good combination of all the best rasayanas, in which you just not the ashwagandha shatavari, but dashmul, shevidari, shankh-pushpi, then Trikatu, and a lot much more herbs, which basically not only improve your digestion but also the immunity, or let's say not only the immunity but your digestion also, because the good immunity can be achieved only if you have a good digestion and good agni. So one rasayana which works on broader spectrum, not only for digestion, immunity, but overall strength. It will give you long life, it will give you a good healthy life, and it will give you strength in the body. Take the rasayana regularly, follow diet and daily routine, stay with your loved ones, take care, and